It seems like there's a glitch in the recent update of the Facebook app causing an annoying sound when scrolling. But don't worry, there's an easy fix for that. Instead of putting your phone on silent mode, which mutes all sounds, you can specifically turn off in-app sounds within the Facebook settings. To do this, open the Facebook app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. From there, navigate to Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. Scroll down to find the Media section, where you'll see an option to turn off in-app sounds. Simply toggle this setting off, and you'll no longer hear those bothersome sounds while scrolling through your feed. By following these steps, you'll effectively silence the refresh noise without muting all sounds on your phone. If this solution works for you, feel free to show your support by liking this post or leaving a comment below. Let's make the Facebook experience more enjoyable for everyone.